One of the biggest frustrations with AI tools is consistency. You can write the perfect prompt, but if the character keeps changing, different eyes, different hair, slightly different face, for creators, that's a nightmare. Imagine trying to make a comic, a storyboard, or even just a personal brand avatar. If your character changes every panel, it looks unprofessional. Ideogram did that, and it did it in a way that's simple, fast, and doesn't cost you anything to test. So here's what makes it so crazy. With Ideogram, you can upload one clear headshot and it instantly locks onto the person that you uploaded, and you could generate the same person across any style: anime, cinematic, Pixar, fantasy, cyberpunk, whatever you want. And best of all, it's free. So if you came here for character consistency, you're in the right place. And this actually works. Here's how you do it step by step. First, you have to upload a clear selfie or a headshot, bright, well lit, eyes facing the camera. The AI needs those details to create consistent characters. And then once you upload that character from that one photo, that's all it needs. Then from there, you can choose whatever style you want, whether it's anime, cyberpunk, cartoon, or just describe it. And then you hit generate. That's all. That's it. No datasets, no training, no waiting hours, and it's done in seconds. And the crazy part is, the AI remembers your character's identity. Even if you put them in a different outfit, background, or style, it's still them. For example, here's a character I created, and I have them here in different outfits. This is them on a ranch, but this is the same person, well, in the gym. And if I wanted to, I could make this Pixar style, fantasy warrior, or even cyberpunk. This isn't just for selfies. Think about the possibility. Think about comics or even storytelling. Your main character stays consistent panel after panel. No more trying to spend money or time regenerating, trying to describe the character so it's consistent. You can just use this character consistency and it's going to be consistent throughout the whole entire comic that you're trying to make. Also think about the branding and avatars for marketing. Let's say you're a YouTuber, social media person, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever. Same mascot, endless styles for campaigns. So you can keep on using this person, this avatar, time and time again. But not only that, what about cosplay and character design? See yourself as a knight, superhero, or anime protagonist instantly. Halloween is literally right around the corner. And if you use this tool, you'll be the best dressed cosplayer for Halloween ever. Not only that, think about social media content, TikToks, YouTube shorts, Instagram posts with consistent character hook. You can literally make an AI Instagram page and have the same person in every post. And also, that's a idea that Mark Zuckerberg is literally going to implement onto Instagram, creating AI characters. But you can now do it yourself. But before you go off creating, here's some tips that can really help you out. Start with a clean headshot. Bad lighting or angle can equal, well, weaker consistency. Use strong style prompts. Just say fantasy warrior in glowing armor, cinematic lighting. Also, you can also mask smartly. You can lock in the face while changing the outfit, hair, or background, masking out anything that you don't want and keeping everything that you need. Also, you can batch generate. Don't just make one, run 5 to 10 variations so you can pick the best one for whatever your use case is. So this free AI tool just fixed one of the biggest problems in AI art. From one selfie, you can now generate consistent characters across any style you want. If you're an artist or storyteller or just someone who wants to see themselves in anime character, this changes everything. Smash the like button if you want to see me test this with some wild prompts, and subscribe because I'm covering all the latest AI tools that you can actually use right now. And I've got a crazy idea. What if I upload my selfie and turn it into a comic book hero? That video could be coming out soon and you don't want to miss it. With that being said, your boy Dex, not Dexter, out.